Mrs. Jones. Well, good timing. I've just finished my deliveries for the day. 8 miles on that bike will keep you fit, I tell you. I was just about to go over to the Lamb and prepare for the day. If I'm not in the post office, you can always press the button and I'll be more than happy to come over and help you. You know that.
I'm well, thank you, Mrs. Griffiths. Ah, yes, good timing indeed. I don't know how you do it, running 2 businesses with your husband. You must be so busy between here and the Lamb.
Well, there's nowhere better to live than Blaen Wine. And I so enjoy working in the post office and the Lamb, of course. And in these strange times, we've all got to do our bit. Keep calm and carry on, haven't we? Oh, how is John Bach? Have you heard from him lately?
He's good, thank you, I think. Well, you never can tell, can you? Oh, Mrs. Griffiths, he shouldn't be out there fighting. He should be here with me and his father. But I'm so proud of him. He's doing his bit for the war effort. We're all doing our bit in some way or another. I'm very much hoping that you can join us for another knitting party with the WI. I'm hoping to arrange another soon. There's always a need for socks for the soldiers.
Well, you know, you should be proud of John Bach. He is a credit to both you and your husband. And yes, I do enjoy your knitting parties. I'll come along. Thank you, Mary. That'll be 2p, please. I'll make sure this arrives safe in its destination, don't you worry.